Welcome to Koh Yao Noi, Thailand, a hidden gem of tranquility in the Andaman Sea. Nestled in the untouched northern tip of this idyllic island is TreeHouse Villas, a unique resort that blends luxury with the natural beauty of its surroundings. Accessible by boat, the journey here is as unforgettable as the destination itself. Each TreeHouse Villa offers a stunning open-air living space, complete with a plunge pool that merges seamlessly with the lush jungle. Relax in style with a private dining area, personal bar, double swing, and daybeds, all designed with upcycled materials inspired by the jungle and sea. On the air-conditioned upper floor, you'll find a luxurious king-size bed overlooking a balcony that floats above the canopy. The views, simply breathtaking, stretching across the bay to majestic limestone cliffs. Indulge in a hammock-shaped bath, jungle shower, and a personal bar for the ultimate retreat. TreeHouse Villas on Koh Yao Noi is not just a destination, it's an experience.